OpenAI has announced the release of their latest model, GPT-4, marking a significant update, although not a groundbreaking one. The announcement, made officially by the OpenAI team, is neither a leak nor clickbait. In detailing the new features, they highlighted an upgrade to GPT-3.5, now known as GPT-3.5 Turbo. This update is particularly notable for those who might be more familiar with GPT-4, as GPT-3.5 serves as the foundational free model accessible through chat.openai.com. The upgraded version, GPT-3.5 Turbo 0125, is set to be introduced next week. Additionally, OpenAI is implementing a price reduction for the third time in a year on GPT-3.5 Turbo. This reduction includes a 50% decrease in input prices, now at 0.005 per 1,000 tokens, and a 25% reduction in alpha prices, now at 0.0015 per 1,000 tokens. This move is aimed at helping customers to scale more efficiently. The new version of the GPT-3.5 model, referred to as GPT-3.5 Turbo 0125, is set to bring several improvements, with a focus on enhanced accuracy in responding to requested formats and resolving a bug that affected text encoding in non-English language functions. Users currently utilizing the PIN GPT-3.5 Turbo model, known as Alias, will automatically transition from GPT-3.5 Turbo 0613 to the new GPT-3.5 Turbo 0125 model 2 weeks after its launch. While the base model of ChatGPT-3.5 is undergoing these upgrades, the specifics of these enhancements have not been fully documented in the blog post, being referred to broadly as various improvements. One key area of improvement highlighted is the increased accuracy in responding in requested formats. This suggests an intention to elevate GPT-3.5's capabilities, potentially positioning it to compete with or surpass other leading models like Google's Gemini Pro and Gemini Ultra, which have recently gained significant attention. It seems that OpenAI's strategy with this update is to refine GPT-3.5, a model that is already highly regarded, to excel even further in performance benchmarks, possibly outperforming other open-source and proprietary large language models (LLMs) in various aspects. The latest update to OpenAI's offerings includes significant enhancements to the GPT-4 model, now termed GPT-4 Turbo. This update has captured the attention of many, particularly due to the improvements it promises. Notably, over 70% of requests from GPT-4 API customers have shifted to GPT-4 Turbo since its introduction. This preference is likely due to its expanded knowledge base, a larger 128,000 context window, and more affordable pricing. The updated version, named GPT-4 Preview, is especially designed to enhance task completion, particularly in areas like code generation. This model aims to address and reduce instances of laziness, a term used to describe the model's previous tendency to not fully complete tasks. This issue of laziness in GPT-4 was not just observed anecdotally by users, but also identified in a study by Stanford University. The study revealed that the original version of GPT-4, released last year, was less efficient in task completion compared to the new iteration. The focus on reducing laziness in GPT-4 Turbo is a crucial aspect of this update. It indicates OpenAI's commitment to refining the model's ability to fully and efficiently complete tasks, enhancing its usefulness and reliability for users. This is a significant step in addressing one of the key limitations identified in earlier versions of the model. The evolution of the GPT-4 model, particularly with the introduction of GPT-4 Turbo, has led to speculation about potential changes in OpenAI's base model, largely driven by concerns about computational costs and energy consumption. As models become more advanced and larger in size, they inherently require more computational power and energy, which can lead to significant expenses. This is particularly relevant when considering the global scale of usage, where millions of users constrain resources, potentially making it unprofitable or unsustainable to operate such large models. The primary focus now is to assess how the GPT-4 Turbo model has developed compared to the initial GPT-4 model released at launch. Many users who interacted with the base version of GPT-4 were impressed with its capabilities. The key question is whether the new GPT-4 Turbo has maintained or improved upon these standards, especially in aspects like code generation. Given the interest in the model's performance, it's likely that many will conduct comparative tests and benchmarks. These tests will be crucial in determining if GPT-4 Turbo has made notable strides in efficiency and functionality compared to its predecessor. They will also provide insights into whether the changes made were primarily motivated by the need to manage operational costs, or if they were aimed at enhancing the model's capabilities and efficiency. This testing is anticipated to shed light on the balance OpenAI has struck between maintaining high performance and managing the logistical challenges of operating such sophisticated AI models. The introduction of the new GPT-4 Turbo, as announced on Dev Day, has generated significant interest, particularly regarding its improved capabilities in code generation. Users are keen to compare the current version with this new update to gauge the enhancements in code generation outputs. Additionally, OpenAI is facilitating a seamless transition to the latest iterations by introducing a new model alias for GPT-4 Turbo. This alias will automatically point users to the most recent GPT-4 Turbo preview model, ensuring they have access to the latest advancements. A particularly exciting development is the planned launch of GPT-4 Turbo with vision capabilities, set to be generally available in the coming months. This indicates that an API for GPT-4 Turbo with integrated vision features is likely to be released soon, marking a significant step forward in the model's capabilities. It's noteworthy that the new Turbo model has quickly become the preferred choice among users, suggesting its enhancements are both significant and well received. However, there remains uncertainty regarding whether this updated model will be integrated into the base ChatGPT that is widely used. While OpenAI has not indicated any price reductions for this new model, there is a possibility that the added functionalities and improvements might result in a higher cost. The decision to include these updates in the base ChatGPT model will likely depend on balancing the enhanced features with accessibility and affordability for a broad user base. The recent updates by OpenAI, including the GPT-4 Turbo, indicate a strategic approach towards product development and deployment. It's plausible that GPT-4 Turbo might initially be available through the API or the OpenAI Playground, with a potential broader rollout later. This reflects OpenAI's pattern of making gradual, incremental releases, allowing for continuous improvement and adaptation based on user feedback and technological advancements. In addition to the advancements in the GPT models, OpenAI has also focused on enhancing user safety and moderation. The introduction of the free moderation API is a significant step in this direction. The latest version, Text Moderation 7, is touted as their most robust moderation model to date. This upgrade is part of OpenAI's ongoing efforts to ensure safety and manage harmful content. The Text Moderation Latest and Text Moderation Stable aliases have been updated to point to this new model. Moreover, OpenAI encourages users to learn more about their safety practices through their guide, underlining their commitment to responsible AI usage. OpenAI has also addressed the management and understanding of API usage. They are launching 2 platform improvements aimed at providing developers with greater visibility into their API usage and more control over their API keys. These enhancements are likely designed to streamline the development process, offering a more user-friendly and efficient experience for those integrating OpenAI's technology into their applications. This focus on both the technological and practical aspects of AI usage showcases OpenAI's holistic approach to their platform's evolution. OpenAI's recent updates offer developers enhanced control and insights into their API usage, reflecting a significant improvement in both functionality and transparency. Firstly, the ability to assign specific permissions to API keys is a notable advancement. Developers can now fine-tune access levels directly from the API key page. This feature allows for tailored use cases, such as assigning read-only access for internal tracking dashboards or limiting access to certain endpoints. Such granularity in permission settings enhances security and control, allowing for more precise and safe management of API interactions. Secondly, the enhancements to the usage dashboard and the usage export function are equally significant. These now provide metrics at the API key level once tracking is activated. This means developers can monitor the exact usage of each API key. The granularity extends to feature team, product, or project levels, achievable by utilizing separate API keys for each category. This level of detail in usage tracking is invaluable for efficient resource management and cost optimization. The updated dashboard, which displays top organizations, top API keys like the Laundry Buddy and Playground keys, and untracked keys, offers a comprehensive view of usage patterns. Developers can start tracking by creating new keys, and the dashboard will reflect these changes, giving a clear picture of API consumption. These updates are not only practical but also strategic, enabling more precise usage monitoring and management. By providing these tools, OpenAI empowers developers to better understand and control their use of the platform, ultimately leading to more efficient and effective use of AI resources. This demonstrates OpenAI's commitment to continually improving the user experience and functionality of its platforms. The speculation about future features in GPT models, based on analysis of OpenAI's code and discussions on various forums, reveals exciting possibilities for the evolution of these AI tools. One of the most notable anticipated features is the integration of personalization and memory capabilities in ChatGPT. This development could significantly enhance the conversational experience by allowing the AI to remember context and personalize responses over multiple interactions. Another intriguing potential feature is the ability to mention and add a GPT model directly into a conversation. This suggests the possibility of using multiple GPT models within the same conversation, offering a more dynamic and versatile chat experience. For instance, a user could invoke different GPT models with specialized skills or knowledge bases as needed during a conversation. This feature could open up new avenues for how AI is interacted with and utilized, making conversations more efficient and tailored to specific needs or queries. The exploration of these future features underscores the continuous innovation in AI technology. While these features are still speculative, they hint at the direction OpenAI is considering for its GPT models, focusing on enhancing user engagement, increasing the flexibility of AI interactions, and providing more personalized and context-aware conversations. The prospect of integrating these advanced features would mark a significant step forward in the capabilities of conversational AI, potentially transforming how users interact with and leverage these powerful tools in various applications. The link to the original tweet and additional resources would offer more insight into these developments, providing a deeper understanding of what might lie ahead for GPT technology. The concept of integrating multiple GPT models into a single conversation as a future or experimental feature presents a fascinating development in the realm of AI technology. Although it's important to note that such a feature is currently in the testing phase and may not be officially released, the potential implications for workflow enhancement are significant. The idea is that users could invoke different specialized GPT models within a single conversation to perform various tasks. For instance, one could use a filmmaker GPT to assist in script writing and then seamlessly transition to a different GPT model specialized in graphic design or image creation to visualize concepts from the script. This multi-model interaction would be facilitated by simply typing it to search and pin recent GPTs for specific tasks. Such a feature would greatly benefit workflows by allowing for a more integrated and streamlined process. Users could leverage the unique strengths of different GPT models in a cohesive manner, enhancing creativity and efficiency. For example, as depicted in the screenshot, one could use ChatGPT to generate ideas or text, and then bring in RoboCam Filmmaker GPT for more specialized tasks like script writing or visual conceptualization. This approach represents a significant advancement in the versatility of AI tools, allowing for more dynamic and multifaceted interactions. If implemented successfully, it could redefine the way professionals and enthusiasts alike utilize AI for various creative and practical applications, offering a more fluid and interactive AI experience. The exploration of future features for ChatGPT, such as the integration of multiple specialized GPT models in a single conversation, indeed sounds like a groundbreaking development. These enhancements can significantly transform the way users interact with AI, particularly in terms of workflow optimization and efficiency. Your idea of combining different GPTs, each with their unique expertise, is an exciting prospect. For example, merging a GPT model specialized in marketing with another proficient in legal guidelines could offer comprehensive insights in a single interaction. This unified approach eliminates the need to switch between different models for different aspects of a task, streamlining the process and enhancing productivity. This potential feature aligns with the evolving needs of users who seek more integrated and versatile AI tools. It caters to a range of professional and creative needs, allowing for a more cohesive and efficient use of AI technology. The ability to harness the collective strengths of various GPT models in one context window could revolutionize how complex tasks are approached and completed. The anticipation for an updated GPT-4 model with these advanced features reflects the growing demand for more sophisticated and user-friendly AI applications. It's clear that such updates would be highly valued by users looking for more dynamic and powerful AI tools to enhance their workflows and creative processes. Your interest in combining the knowledge of different GPTs for more effective outcomes captures the essence of what many users might be looking for in future AI developments. It will be interesting to see how OpenAI responds to these evolving needs and what new capabilities the next generation of GPT models will bring. The anticipation surrounding the potential release of GPT-4.5, especially in relation to Google's upcoming Gemini Ultra, reflects the intense competition and rapid evolution in the field of AI. Your guess that GPT-4.5 might be released following Gemini Ultra, possibly hinging on its release timeline, underscores the strategic nature of these advancements. Your experience with GPT-4's tendency towards laziness in task completion resonates with common user feedback. This issue, where the model sometimes produces minimal output for complex tasks, has been a notable point of critique. It's interesting to hear that you have developed a secret hack to extract better performance from ChatGPT, which could be incredibly valuable for many users facing similar issues. The release of GPT-4's Turbo model, with its focus on reducing this laziness, is timely. It's an interim solution that not only addresses a key user concern but also keeps the user base engaged and interested while waiting for more substantial updates like GPT-4.5. The fact that you're keen on testing the new Turbo model to see its improvements in task completion and reduction in laziness indicates the high level of user interest in these updates. In the broader context, these developments highlight the dynamic nature of AI technology, where continuous improvements are essential to meet user expectations and stay competitive. The race between major players like OpenAI and Google is driving these rapid advancements, leading to more powerful, efficient, and user-friendly AI models. Your insights and practical advice on using ChatGPT effectively add a valuable perspective to this evolving landscape. Your approach to using ChatGPT Classic for optimal results with GPT-4 highlights a significant user experience insight. The preference for ChatGPT Classic stems from its simpler system prompt structure, which, as you noted, seems to cause less confusion for the model compared to the more complex prompts and features in the standard ChatGPT PT-4. This suggests that sometimes a more streamlined and straightforward interface can lead to more effective AI interactions. Your excitement and anticipation for the upcoming GPT-4.5, as well as your interest in OpenAI's gradual release strategy, reflect the enthusiasm shared by many in the AI community. The prospect of new benchmarks with GPT-3.5 and the exploration of its enhanced capabilities are also generating considerable interest. These updates and developments represent significant strides in AI technology, offering improved performance and user experience. The potential future feature of conducting conversations with multiple GPT models simultaneously is particularly intriguing. It promises a more dynamic and versatile conversational AI experience, which could revolutionize how we interact with and utilize AI in various contexts. Your enthusiasm for these developments and the engaging way you share your insights and experiences with the AI community is evident. The anticipation for GPT-4.5 and the continuous evolution of OpenAI's models keep users like you at the forefront of experiencing and shaping the future of AI technology. As you conclude your video, it's clear that these advancements in AI are not just technological milestones but also catalysts for excitement and innovation in the community.